Let me show you how to go from nothing at all to creating and running your first Python program in less than 100 seconds. The first step is to download and install Python so that the computer can understand Python. Go to python.org, click downloads and download the latest version for your operating system. Install it like any other application. To verify your install, open the terminal on Mac or command prompt on Windows and type python 3 -- version. Once that's done, it's time to download and install an editor. Editors are what programmers use to write code and come with convenient features like autocomplete, extensions and the ability to run code at the press of a button. I use VS Code, so let me walk you through how to get that going. Go to code.visualstudio.com and click download and then install it. Once you've got it open, go to extensions and install the Python extension. This makes VS Code understand Python. Now that we have installed everything we need, the next step is to create a file in which we'll put our code. This is the file we'll run in order to execute our code. To do this in VS Code, click File, New File and then Python file. Then press the Save command and save the file to your desired location. We're now ready to write our first program. Write print brackets and then in quotes testing and click the play button. If you see testing in the console, then you'll know it's working. Well done, you've now written your first program in Python. There are more rapid-fire Python guides on my channel should you be interested, and I wish you luck in your coding journey.